Hello guys, welcome to SAP Wi-Fi Learning. Today we are going to see about how to consume the OData service in a SAP Wi-Fi Web ID project. Okay, so the couple of steps which you need to follow to consume how we can consume the OData service in the Web ID projects. Okay, so the first thing we need to consider, so it's not required we need to have a real OData system with your login credential to consume it. Rather than we can go with a sample demo system to consume the OData service. Okay, to process this, first thing we will have to create our login in the sample demo system, which is called right now it's ES5 demo system. So here I will guide you how to create the your login credential in the ES5 system. So for which you need to go to a link called ES5 login. So here you can go to create account on the SAP demo system. So here you will be getting all the required steps on what are the process you need to follow. So we'll guide you through a little bit process. The step one, you can go to the sign up page. By click on this page, you will be able to sign up into the required link. And in this link, you will be asked to fill the given information like your email ID, what's your first name, last name, and few details. So where you have to click on the terms and conditions, and once you click on the register, then you will be giving the information and successful registration will be completed. The third step is click on the given link and go to SAP GUI. So where you can give your username and password, click on log on, you will be able to see the information. So here if you want you can change the password also as per your requirement. Now you have created your demo system credential. So the step one is over. Then step 2, we need to check about which OData service we are going to consume here. So for which I'll provide the link in the description box. You can check about those, which link we have used it directly. And the third step is we need to create the UI5 project and create a destination for the same. Okay, so first we'll go ahead and create the destination for this. So here for which you can directly go to SAP Cloud Platform Cockpit, and here you will be able to check out the what are the destinations are available, and if you want to click create a new destination and what are the steps you will have to perform it here. Please hang a moment, you will be able to check out here. And here you will be able to check out this. Yes, fine. Yeah. So here I have created already. You can see the name and type HTTP and description. You can give anything and the URL. So which is the base URL of our OData service. The next thing is you can give your internet proxy type and authentication you can give, and other than that I have added 3 parameters for the same. So as soon as you add the destination over here, this destination will reflect in your web ID after 5 minutes. Then we can go ahead and create a new project here. Click on project from template. So here I'll be picking a normal SAP UI5 application. So here I will be giving a demo app namespace com.x, and I'll give the name called app and finish. So now I have created my UI5 application, so which is basically from the template. So once our application is ready, we have to configure our destination of our audit service. So let us wait for the creation of the project. It's taking a minute. Yeah, it is done. So here what we need to do, we have to configure the auditor service. So click on new and auditor service. So here we right now we are performing consuming the auditor service using service URL. So for this, click on the drop down and pick the system which you have created, ES5 sample gateway system. The same you will be getting over here, ES5 sample gateway system. As soon as you enter the details, you will be asked to give the credential as well. So I have done it before, so it's not asking me. So here this is a place you need to test it over here. So here you need to enter the relative URL of the. So already we have given the base URL in the destination already. The relative URL you have to pass it over here and you can test it. You will be getting the all the destiny entities and entities type services within the system. So assume that we can select any entity over here and click on next. If you want to create a new model, you can pick it or you can use the existing one and click on next. So now your UI5 project and the destination is successfully connected with your system gateway system, which is called ES55. So the things which we need to notice after the consuming this auditor service, we can go to this new app JSON. Before that, we do not have any destination here. So as soon as you create the auditor service, you can see the destination created a type of destination and path is ES5. And the same reflection will happen in the manifest JSON also. You can look out over there at the data sources which is created here with the URI of the same thing, auditor and the model information also you will be able to see here. Since we selected a default model here, this is a not named model, which is a default model. You can see here for which the data source is above data source, it's a gateway sample basic. I hope you guys understand how to consume the auditor service through the service URL and which is for template based web IDEO projects. So if you have any questions or comments, please comment below and thanks for your time.